Hello everyone, welcome to DecodeITES. This is a single learning platform for multiple IT infrastructure technologies. Do like, share and subscribe our channel to never miss out our videos. Let's continue with the learning. Let's have a small introduction of myself. My name is Prince Garg. I'm having 3+ years of work experience and worked on Redhat, VMware, Windows, Google Cloud, PowerShell, Python and Bash scripting. Kindly follow us on Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, and reach out to us on itesfund.com. Let's start with the installation of CentOS 8 or Redhat 8 64-bit under VMware Workstation. Let's select Create a new virtual machine. Here you can choose typical or custom. I would suggest you to choose custom only. Now here you can see hardware option. Keep it to maximum, workstation 15.x. Now, here you can select the installer disk image file. You can choose I will install the operating system later. Now, here you can see a bit of guest operating system list available. Microsoft Windows, Linux, VMware ESX or other machines. You can select Linux and CentOS 7 because CentOS 8 is not available yet. But yes, Redhat 8 option is available. We will go with CentOS 7 or Redhat 8. I will select Redhat 8. Now you have to select the name of virtual machine. I will keep it to default. You can change if you want. Now the location where you want to install the image and where you are having enough space. Let's see. I will install it to E drive and under machines folder. Yep. Now you can skip this. It's just showing that the specified location appears to contain an existing virtual machine. I'm having no issues. I can continue with it. Processors. Now you can select either processor cores and it will show you how many total processor cores you are going to provide to machine. Number of processors 1, number of core per processor 1. Memory. I will give 2 GB of RAM. It's more than enough. Now network type. You are having 4 options. Bridge networking, NAT, which is network address translation. Third one is use host only networking. Fourth one is you do not need an internet connection on the machine. We'll continue with without internet connection and we'll explain the networking part later. Here you can select which SCSI controller type you would like to use. You can select LSI logic, which is recommended. Now, virtual disk type. You can select either IDE, SCSI, SATA or NVMe. I'm selecting NVMe because it is the fastest disk available right now and my laptop is having NVMe disk which is providing around 6 GB of input output processing in a second. Now create a new virtual disk option you have to select. If you are having any existing virtual disk you can select the same one. I will give it 10 GB only, or we can say 15 GB is more than enough. I am storing the virtual disk in a single file. Is the VMDK which will gonna create it. Now you can customize the hardware if you want or you can just review it. Before powering on the machine, we have to insert disk, the ISO image file. You have to click on edit virtual machine settings. Under CD/DVD section, you can choose use ISO image file and from the drop down you can choose CentOS 8 or you can browse to it. Okay, let's power it on. You can see three options here: install, test the media, and troubleshooting. We'll go with install CentOS Linux 8. Now, CentOS Linux 8 ISO file is loaded. You can choose the language. As I am from India, I am choosing English India. It's for the installation process. Now, under installation summary, you can see three sections: localization, software, and system. Under localization, you can see keyboard is already set to English and Indian with rupee. Under language support, it's already set to English India, and time and date is a bit different. Let's configure it. You can choose Asia Kolkata, as I am from India and I am choosing GMT time. You can also choose AM PM settings. If you are having any network time zone, you can select it, otherwise leave it. As we have not selected internet connection over the machine, so we are skipping this for now. We will configure it manually in our coming videos. Under software section, you are having installation source. It's already connected to local media. Then you are having software selection. Let's go through it. Here you need to choose minimal install with basic functionality. It will not provide you any GUI support. It will install on CLI only, and we will install all the required components later. Under system, you can see installation selection. It's set to automatic partitioning. Let's check. It's showing 15 gigs of VMware Virtual and VMA disk. Click on done. KDump is enabled. I would suggest you to keep it enabled only. It will help you to troubleshoot issues. Now, under network section, you can see no network devices are available. And under security policy, no control is found. We will configure the security part later. Begin installation. It's showing set root password. Click on done. And if you are having a weak password, you need to click on done twice. Now the installation is started. It will take a bit of time. You can just hold on and take a break. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment our videos. Also subscribe to our channel.